Hey guys, PMHK here obviously, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure you have your notifications on so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're an OG, obviously give this video a thumbs up because you know it's going to be a fire video. So I went down a rabbit hole that I might actually not come back from. So I went to take a lot and I actually bought the cheapest smartphone in there. So this is basically the cheapest smartphone in South Africa. So now we're just gonna jump in and check what the cheapest smartphone in the country has to offer. Now this here is the Rebel. Again, also I went on Instagram actually and I asked for you guys your opinion on Mobicel. What comes to your guys' mind when you speak about Mobicel? You can actually do the same here on YouTube. Go down to the comments and let me know what you think or what comes to your mind as soon as you hear Mobicel. Let's do this unboxing and check what comes inside the box. So packaging is actually pretty standard. You have your plastic that I need to cut off. First plastic off, and then on the box you have the name of the phone. This is the Mobicel Rebel. It's a 3.5-inch device as it says here, and then you have some more branding, and then you have the POS scan. You have here Mobile Rebel in gold. You have the IMEI number there, and you have other stuff on the side, and that's about it. So let's jump inside quickly. I mean, my expectations of this phone are really pretty low. I really just wanted to check how the cheapest phone in the country stacks up to the competition. Although I'm not gonna be comparing, I know exactly what the competition is offering now. I'm guessing this thing doesn't have a battery inside. It's actually pretty light. Okay, so let's put the phone on the side and actually check what else comes inside the box. Now, oh wow, it also comes with a protecting case, which most of the flagship devices actually are not including. I think apart from Android phones such as some of the Mi devices, I know include cover. Even the OnePlus also include covers in the box. Now, moving right along, you have power charger or the charger. This is not a USB charger, it's just the one that comes directly connected to the brick. You also have headphones with the 3.5mm jack. You have the battery, which we're gonna pop it in. Hopefully it has some juice on it so we can actually test the device. And then you have your manual, you have your startup guide, you have your card, customer care line in case you guys find trouble operating your new device. You have your Mobicel warranty, we don't want that. And you have your user manual that we also don't read, and that's about it on the box. Now let's jump on the device itself. All right, this is a 3.5-inch device. As you guys can see, it's pretty tiny, but then again, I got big hands as I always say. So you have Rebel 3.5 device, dual camera. Ooh, it's got two cameras, one at the back and one in front. It doesn't give more specifications about the camera. It has dual camera, Mobicel, and that's all it says. Now let's peel the front plastic off. There we go. So this is the iconic 3.5-inch screen. It actually feels like it already has a glass protector. It actually comes installed with a glass protector. I mean with a screen protector. I think it's a plastic screen protector. I have Mobicel behind. I think this one here is a little speaker. You have volume up and down button. You have power button right there. And then you have the charging port, the micro USB charging port on top. And I think this one down here is a speaker or a microphone to be exact. And you have a 3.5mm jack for the microphone, I mean for the headphones on top, and that's about it. You have some sensors also right there. And yeah, let's pop in the battery. Hopefully it has some juice and we're gonna be able to try our new device. All right, so the battery, we're gonna pop it inside. Quite easy to put in the battery. Put back the cover. This is one of those devices that if you drop it, it's going to split open right in front of other people, which is, it can be quite embarrassing. So power on. This is our first boot. All right, it seems like it has juice on it. So first impressions of the quality screen, it's a little bit washed out. That's actually what I can say. But now looking at this quick animation, it actually seems like it has a bit of quality on it. Now technical specification, this is what I want. So weight, this guy weighs 106 gram industrial battery. The dimension is 123 by 63 by 10 millimeters. Battery voltage 4.35 volt. Battery capacity is a 1500 milliamp hour battery. You have a standby time for about 350 hours. That is a lot. Battery time not prior or separate notice is required for capacity changes, blah 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 blah. Okay, that's all we need to know. Let's jump quickly on this phone. Wow, the battery actually comes 60% charged. Okay, so let's quickly start this guy. All right, so after a quick, not so quick setup, we are inside the phone. It actually is welcoming us. Welcome, wallpapers, widget, and settings. Got it. Now, you're not gonna be getting the best screen ever, but at least you have Google Assistant. Let's see if Google is working. Voice dictation. Hey Google. Wow, it actually is quite, it actually listens to my voice very well, amazingly. That's the nice thing about Android phones. Like when they are actually brand new, they actually work quite well, but when they start getting old, that's when the problems arise. So let's try that voice one more time. Hey Google, we are trying that voice one more time, but I don't know. Okay, voice one more time. Hey Google, you are trying that. Okay, so voice check, it actually works pretty fine. Let's check that camera. Actually, let's start with the back camera. Damn, this thing doesn't have much quality. Yo, I look awful on this camera. Not that I look that better on a better camera anyways, but then again, that's just my opinion. Now let's try the selfie. I look black and white, literally. Okay, let's take a selfie. Wow, now you're not gonna be getting the best camera on this guy. You have Android. Let's check which Android this guy comes with. Settings. Okay, so this guy comes with Android 6.0. This is a really old Android. But in terms of the screen, pretty intuitive. You can do your basic thing. You can scroll quite well. It actually has a haptic feedback when you press the keys. Even when you tap on the screen, it actually vibrates a little. All right, let's try and test the audio quality on this guy. Can we go to maybe Google or YouTube? So I'm still trying to update YouTube so I can test the video quality and sound quality, but I'm struggling, and as I mentioned, ESCOM is about to happen, so I am literally on the clock. Come on Google, you can do this. I have faith in you. Come on, download. All right, so while that application updates, I'm trying to update YouTube so I can test the video quality and audio quality. We will jump quickly inside SoundCloud and see if we can play some music for us to test just the speakers. Now let's try and search for something that is copyright free. Bass Rebels. Let's just play the first one that comes in. Okay, play. Why does it have a sad face? Okay, hopefully it's gonna play. Come on, anytime today. You can do this. All right, seems like it's playing. Oh, the speaker is behind. I almost forgot. So the speaker is behind, and as soon as you cover the speaker, you actually cover the whole sound. But not bad for a very affordable phone. For me not to say cheap. I mean, it's not the best sound ever, but at least it's clear enough for you to hear what the guy is singing. The beats are pretty flat. There isn't any separation in it whatsoever. Alright, so YouTube is failing us. And I am forced to wrap up this video before ESCOM happens. Let me know what you guys actually want to see regarding this guy. This just has been a quick look on the cheapest phone in the country. If you have any questions about it, make sure you ask them down in the description or down in the comments below, and make sure you like the button and make sure you like this video before you go to those comments. Let me just switch off this music. Yeah, this has been a look at the Mobicel Rebel phone in gold. This is a 3.5-inch phone. I mean, if you're on the market for a phone and all you have is 500 rands, this is the guy to buy. This guy goes for 450. I'm gonna make sure I link them down below. And as I said before, make sure you like this video and comment down in the comments any questions you have. And again, what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you actually hear about Mobicel? As you guys could see, the camera is really washed out and a little bit blurry. This is not gonna be the phone that you're going to use to stun on people on Instagram or on social media in general. But yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna catch you guys on my next one. Peace. So the YouTube managed to download after I ended the video. Okay, let me just get in back to the phone. All right, so I'm inside. YouTube is already updated. Let's just try a video. Okay. I mean, you can definitely do YouTube on it. Okay, focus.
If you are confused as to why I'm doing this video, I'm here to tell you that I am very confused as well. See,
okay, so she's confused. Make sure you go check her out. All right, now you can watch YouTube. Definitely can use it for YouTube, but it's not gonna give you the best quality ever. But the audio is there. You can tell that there's a person speaking, so the video quality is also there. All right.